Hey guys, today I want to show you a possible way to install Gnome-Shell. So the first thing you need to do is go to Applications and open your terminal. Okay, then you need to go to my description and copy this. It's in my description, and paste it in the terminal and press enter, and this will take about, I guess, a couple of seconds to install. Okay, the next thing you need to do is go to my description once again and copy this gnome-shell replace. Now guys, if you use an Intel graphics, you'll need to use this instead of the first one here, gnome-shell replace. You'll need to copy the text export gnome-shell disable TFP equals 1. But I'm just gonna use the first one. So copy that and paste it, and then press enter. So now you have installed Gnome-Shell, and I'm going to show you a couple of things in Gnome-Shell. By the way guys, when you copy this text and paste it in the terminal and press enter, your screen will flash or something, and then go over to Gnome-Shell. So let's take a look at Gnome-Shell. Hey guys, and here we are with the Gnome-Shell. As you can see, activities, programs, you can press more, graphics, internet, office, all my programs and applications, software. We have my desktop right here. So yeah, my desktop. I can minimize this. I can choose between all those files and my terminal. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Rate, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.